TRX box squat is a variation of the squat, performed using a TRX suspension trainer and a box, bench, or chair behind you. It's great for beginners learning squat mechanics, people working on mobility, or anyone wanting a controlled squat with assistance. How to perform a TRX box squat. 1. Setup. Anchor the TRX straps and adjust them so the handles hang around mid-length. Stand facing the anchor point, holding the handles with your elbows bent slightly at your sides. Place a sturdy box, bench, or chair behind you at knee height, or slightly below, depending on your mobility. 2. Starting position. Stand with feet hip to shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Keep a light grip on the TRX handles. Don't pull yourself up with your arms. They're just for balance. Engage your core and keep your chest tall. 3. Movement. Slowly push your hips back and bend your knees to lower into a squat. Control the descent until your glutes lightly touch the box. Pause briefly, making sure you're not dropping onto the box. Drive through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and return to standing. Muscles worked. Quads. Primary driver as you extend your knees. Glutes. Engaged when you push up from the box. Hamstrings. Assist in hip extension. Core. Stabilizes your torso. Upper back and arms. Lightly engaged for stability with the straps. Benefits. Builds proper squat form and depth safely. Provides support for people with knee or balance issues. Helps train the sit-back movement pattern. Can be used for rehab, beginners, or advanced lifters, with single leg or weighted variations. Variations. Single leg TRX box squat. Sit down on the box with one leg extended. Stand up with the working leg. Box squat hold. Pause longer on the box for isometric strength. Weighted TRX box squat. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell for more challenge. Lower box to increase range of motion and glute activation. Check my next video.